What do you like best about cryptomus? Very fast and easy to understand how to use this application. The amount of trust is high just by going over the website and interacting with the UI. They make it a strong point for you to understand that your transaction is going through and how long it takes to process. The best part is when they show confirmed 0 blocks from 2 confirmation. Great small UX that plays a huge role as the user will be more patient and willing to come back to use again if successful. The lack of chains available to transfer with Wish the network supported a lot more than just the few listed on the exchange. Would love to see like SHIB Doge just any of the alt tokens in usage. I tried all available cryptocurrency payment services and all of them have small print. Problems with withdrawals can appear, API abruptly stops responding, all of that cryptomus doesn't have. The support is just great guys who will go out of their way to help with any issue. Need a certain coin? Okay, we will open such an opportunity. This attitude should be appreciated. I recommend it for use with confidence. I started using cryptomus not long ago for my business, and it is the best service of its kind so far. The integration really helped to increase our conversion. I never thought that many people are willing to pay with cryptocurrency, to be honest. Although cryptomus has a lot of things to improve, I would recommend it. It would be great if there was a mobile phone app also. I found it easy to use into the payments for my digital assets. It has encrypted payment methods for info transfer on your transactions, which makes it safe. No long KYC process is needed. On the technical side, the API architecture is robust to trigger payment with API when working on the solution integration. Also, the wallet facility is applicable on most of the common merchants. Support system should be improved for clients from different country, and API documentation can be simplified for partners. Integration with CMS in the plugins section for existing system can be taken into consideration as plugins association requires retouch. The security system is great, so many options in security methods. Not much experience with the client support service, but the help they provided was urgent and very effective. I appreciate it. Nothing all okay cryptomus is the best. Nothing all okay cryptomus is the best.